morning, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god, it's a little bright, the sun. Anyways, it's bright and early right now. It's 8 a.m. But anyways, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to new users. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Now today we have an awesome video. Today's video is actually sponsored. Today's sponsor is gonna be Elite Audio and Tint over at Elk Grove. They were awesome enough to reach out, man. Today we are going to be installing a brand new stereo on the G35. Something had to be done because since I got the car, I don't know what happened. Man, the sound system is completely trash, bro, and it kind of ruins the vibes because I try to play freaking song, you know, like Drake songs or Nav songs, you know, get that beat, that bass, and it doesn't have any oomph. And like, it just discourages me. Like, sometimes I don't even want to go to work. Like, I turn on the stereo, it sounds dumb as hell, and then I just go back to sleep. Only issue right now is that the appointment right now is at 11 a.m. It's currently, I don't gotta watch. Also, I didn't address this, and for you new users, that's hard to say. You new users, yes, my car does have self-start. That's how I was able to start this car. You guys are probably like, wait, you can self-start up a manual G30? I don't know, man. Don't ask me that. It just came with it, man. Just accept the fact. Nah, just kidding. I actually don't know. It just came with the car. Apparently, you can do it. I think you have to like tap into the, I don't know, some wire in there that you could do that. But right now, I'm just gonna rinse the car. Let's see how the water slides off. I do need to buy like a water, what do you call it? Those jets, like water compressors? I don't know. The water droplets are just there, dude. They're not sticking. They're literally just sliding. We should be able to blow dry this away. Look at that. You can see like the frost. Alright guys, we just finished washing the car. I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing is not gonna be perfect. This gloss is so hard to maintain, and especially as a daily. Like, tomorrow we're gonna take some pictures with my friend who just finished his wide body red wine 3.8 what do you call it, Genesis. Oh my god, it's gonna look so good. Twin duo pictures tomorrow. We're gonna go take them. It's gonna be insane, dude. Before we go over there, I want to see if I can show you guys how it sounds like. I don't know if you guys are gonna accurately hear it through the camera, but I'm gonna try it, and hopefully I don't get copyrighted. So I'm gonna do like 4 seconds. So I don't know any good songs with bass right now, so I'm gonna just put Motorsport by Cardi B. I have Pandora, so I gotta watch an ad to select my own custom music. That's what happens when you're broken. Alright, here you go, right? 3 seconds. I don't know how good that was, but actually that song didn't sound too bad. It sounded like how it should sound on a low volume setting, but that was all the way max volume, so something's wrong, man. This aluminum door panel should be banging off the roof. So I'm gonna show you the difference, the same exact clip, the same exact part of the song after we install it. Let's head over to Elite Audio and Tint over by our neighbor city, Elk Grove, and see what kind of magic they do on the G35 today. All right, guys, we're putting in gas. I hella forgot to put in gas, bro. This is why you always put gas before you have something important. If you have something important the next day, always put gas before. I know you're probably tired and sick or whatever, but put fucking gas. Oh my god. See, now I freaking left exactly at the same time, and now I'm a little late. All right, guys, we just arrived to the location. It looks like they're working. Let's go outside, say hi, and let's go. Also, for those saying that I should tint my tail lights, I know that. You think I don't know that much? Oh damn, I'm a little bit loud. Anyways, I am gonna tint them, but I am going to break these apart so that I can put the halos in the back. I'm gonna black out the housing, and then I'll decide if I'm gonna tint them, because when I black out the housing, it's already gonna be a little bit black except this red. I might put a light shade of tints, maybe, possibly, but I don't know. We'll see how it looks afterwards. All right, guys, so he took my camera away. I'm stuck with the iPhone here. That's because he's gonna be shooting like some rollers when I roll into the shop and things like that, which I will show you guys hopefully. So the following clips might be of them working on the car. Pretty cool guy, pretty cool guy. He owned a GTR and sold it. Can you believe that? But now he's trying to buy a Ferrari or a Lamborghini, so that's pretty sick. He gave me the cue. We're about to roll out. Let's go ahead and says the G35, and there's a dyno tuner here. Got a Mark Horse. Right-hand drive. Yo, this is dope. They ever stop you for that? The windshield?
Tiny one first, just to see if it scrapes with 2 people.
Okay.
And then I'll actually do it.
Hey, this is the guy that needs camera footage.
I'm just do one tiny one first to see if it scrapes with both of them. And
yeah, because you got new tires.
Yeah.
This is the best sponsorship I've received, just gotta say. We're doing a donut right now.
Yo, you're legit, bro.
that was insane. It wasn't scraping so good. Look at that dog owner just like looking at it like,
legit, bro.
Yo,
right,
let's
ready?
get this. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's the next day. Let me show you what we have here. This screen right here, man. Dude, it's a Pioneer, and trust me, this enhanced the sound of those speakers so much. Let's go ahead and turn on the car so I can show you the exact same clip from the beginning at this and the max. So I don't think I could turn it up max volume on this because it's super, super loud and it's so awesome. Let me show you guys. That, I don't know if you guys can really tell the difference on video. I don't know how it is on video, but in person, 100%, 200%. 10 times 200, that doesn't make sense. Anyways, it's so much better, and I'm so happy now. I can vibe. And why is that door opening again? I'll pick up after. Anyways, y'all, I just got back from shooting some pictures and hanging out with a long-time friend. Met him in middle school, and now we met like freaking, I don't know, 6 years later, and he has a wide body Genesis. That'll be next video, but today's video is officially over. Super satisfied with the result. The double din looks so much better. It just looks so damn good. I know you guys told me. I know you guys are like, bro, I literally told you like freaking 2 years ago to put it on. Like, bro, I didn't even have a G 2 years ago. Nah, just kidding. Nah, I know you guys told me, and you guys were right, dude. I have to admit, I'll accept defeat this time. It does look freaking good. It was a must. With that being said, if you guys are interested in, I don't want to spill the beans right now, but there's gonna be a huge stop. Okay, I'm gonna shut my mouth before anything happens. You didn't hear that. I will catch you guys next video. Peace.